ZANU-PF has summoned its top decision-making organs, the Politburo and Central Committee, to back-to-back meetings this week in Harare, in what insiders describe as part of a frantic preparations ahead of the party's annual conference set for Mutare later this year. Sanabena mashoko ari kuda panguva ine achionekwa kunzi ED calls for urgent back-to-back meetings. Panguva ine pari kuonekwa kunzi is preparations for the upcoming October conference aiwa ava kuita achinopera. Panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika ukona up the Politburo pamwechete the Central Committee for back-to-back meetings. Don't forget subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Even now according to a statement issued on Monday, the Secretary General Obed Mpov directed members of the Politburo to convene at the party's headquarters on Wednesday, 17 September 2025 at 1200 hours, followed by a Central Committee meeting scheduled for Thursday, 18 September 2025 at 1000 hours. Members are expected to be seated by 11:45 and 9:45 respectively. While the official notice did not outline the agenda, but its sources suggest the meetings are likely to focus on the escalating power struggles within ZANU-PF, where President Mnangagwa faces growing unease from factions aligned to the Deputy Vice President Chiwenga. The shadow of succession politics continues to loom large, with the reports of renewed tensions between the two camps as the Mutare conference draws closer. The hurried convening of both the Politburo and Central Committee reflects Mnangagwa's desire to consolidate control and silence dissent ahead of the crucial conference, where policy direction and leadership legitimacy are expected to dominate proceedings. Over the years, ZANU-PF conference have often been used as battlegrounds for internal power plays, from Robert Mugabe's final years, when Mnangagwa himself survived pegs, to the 2017 coup that catapulted him into power. Now history appears to be repeating itself, with Mnangagwa under pressure to manage factional fissures that threaten to destabilize his hold on the party. Analysts note that the rushed meetings could also be a platform to discipline wayward members, rally loyalty, and project a semblance of unity ahead of Mutare. With the speculation rife about Mnangagwa's succession and Chiwenga's rising influence within the military-backed faction, the meetings this week could prove decisive in shaping the narrative that will define ZANU-PF's Mutare conference and ultimately Zimbabwe's political trajectory. These meetings panguva ine ari kusignala zvinhu zvakawanda ahead of succession battles pamwechete the ZANU-PF conference. Pinakombe section bedu dzimafunguro ene muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.